Good afternoon. Hello, students. Good afternoon. How are you all? Who will tell me? How are you? What will be the answer? If somebody asks you a question that how are you? So who will tell me? Yes. Very good. Shabash. I am fine and super. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Now it's time for good afternoon. So, first of all, we will sing the song of Good Afternoon. Are you ready to sing a song of Good Afternoon? Okay, let's start it together. Okay? Very good. Shabash. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, how do you do? Oh, how do you do? Very good. Shabash. Sing with me. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, how do you do? Oh, how do you do? I'm very well. I'm very well. And how about you? And how about you? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay, and I am your which one subject teacher? Hmm? I am your English subject teacher. Which one subject? English subject. Well done. And do you know what is my name? Madam Varisha. What is my name? Ma'am Varisha. Very good. Shabash. And I am your English subject teacher. Okay. All of you have English books. Show me. Very good. Shabash. All of you have English books. Okay. First of all, open your books, all of you. Very good. Shabash. Open your books. Very good. अच्छा, कल हमने कौन सा लेटर पढ़ा था? कौन सा लेटर हमने कल पढ़ा था? Letter B. Which one letter? Which one letter is this? Letter B. Okay. Who will tell me what is this? Butterfly. Very good. What is this? Butterfly. Butterfly. Ball. Ball. Well done. Repeat after me once again. Ball. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Basket. What is this? Basket. और बास्केट में हम क्या डालते हैं? Very good. Fruits डालते हैं. Well done. Okay, and what is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. और कल आप सब ने ये वाला पेज लर्न किया है. लेटर बी का पेज लर्न किया है. ओके, जब आप स्कूल आओगे ना तो आप सबसे मैं ये सुनूंगी, ठीक है? ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, शाबाश. स्टूडेंट, रिपीट आफ्टर मी once again. Letter B, and this is the mama bee. Which letter is this? Capital B. This one is the mama bee. Look at this picture. This one is capital B. Very good. Shabash. And this one, small b. The baby bee. Which one? Very good. Shabash. Small bee. This one is the mother of bee. And this one is The baby bee. Okay, shabash. Repeat after me. Capital B. Once again. Capital B. Small b. Shabash padhe. Shabash. Capital B. Very good. Small b. Well done, Apsawar. Shabash. Capital B. Fatma Gul. Shabash. Small b. And do you know what is the sound of B? कल मैंने आपको बताया था. B says, who will give, very good, who will give me answer? B says B. B says B. Well done, Maimuna. Shabash. Everyone do action. B says B. Very good. Capital B, small b. B says B. What is the sound of B? B says B. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Ball. और बॉल से आप खेलते हैं ना? और बॉल किस किसको पसंद है? Raise your hand. बॉल किसको पसंद है? Very good, Maimuna. Well done. Shabash. Fatma Gul. Ball. What is this? Ball. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Look at this picture. What is this? Who will tell me? Banana. और banana किसको पसंद है? Who likes banana? Very good. Shabash, Maimuna. Well done. Banana. Fatma Gul. Shabash. Repeat after me. Banana. Very good. And what is the color of this banana? Yellow. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Look at this picture. What is this? Butterfly. और butterfly की तरह सब flying करें. Butterfly किस तरह flying करती है? Well done. Well done. Shabash. Butterfly. Very good, Fatma Gul. Shabash. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Butterfly. Once again. Butterfly. Well done. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Basket. What is this? Basket. Once again. Basket. Very good. Shabash. और आप सबके घर में बास्केट है? Yes. और बास्केट में आप क्या डालते हैं? Fruits डालते हैं. Well done. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Shabash. One time reading करें और उसके बाद हम फिर आज लेटर बी की राइटिंग करेंगे. ठीक है? Okay. Small b. शाबाश पढ़ें. Small b. B says B. Put your finger. शाबाश. सब अपने अपनी फिंगर रखिए बुक पे. B says B. Very good. Butterfly. Ball. Ball. Basket. Banana. Butterfly. Ball. Banana. Very good. Shabash. Well done. Okay, let's sing a song of B, okay? Are you ready? Very good. Shabash. Okay, let's sing a song of B. B is for butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. B is for butterfly, butterfly. Very good, Mamuna. Everyone do action, shabash. B is for butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. B is for ball, ball, ball. B is for basket, basket, basket. B is for banana, banana, banana. B is for Okay. So this is the song of B. Okay. Okay, take out your rough register. All of you have rough register? Show me. All of you have pencil? Show me your pencils. Everyone, shabash. आप सबके पास pencils है? Very good, शाबाश. और आप सबके पास rough register है ना? नीट नोटबुक में आप राइटिंग नहीं करोगे, ठीक है ना? जब आप स्कूल वापस आओगे तो फिर हम नीट नोटबुक में राइटिंग करेंगे, ठीक है? और अभी सब अपने अपनी रफ रजिस्टर ओपन करें. ओपन योर रफ रजिस्टर एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. Well done. Okay, show me your pencils. All of you have. Ahmed Yusuf, show me your pencil. Where is your pencil? Okay, well done. Show me your rough register. Shabash. Ahmed Yusuf, start writing now. Well done. Okay, start from the first line. Okay. Take out your rough register and start writing from the first, this one line. अच्छा, English में हमारे साथ कितने lines होते हैं? We have 4 lines. How many lines we have in English subject? 4 lines. Okay, and first we will start from this one line. Which one line? From the first line. Okay, look at this line. We have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines we have? Show me your 4 fingers. कितने lines है? Well done, Absawar. Well done, Fatma Gul. Shabash, Maimuna. We have 4 lines, and first of all, we will start from the first line. Line number 1. Okay. Now start from this one line. First, we will draw a standing line. Okay. Dots करें, सब trace करें. Draw a standing line. Start from this one line, from the first line. Now start from first line, go down, 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 and stop. Well done, shabash. Then draw small semicircle like this. Now start from this line, from the first line, and go round, 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 and stop. Shabash, Ahmed Yusuf. Well done, Maimuna. Absawar, shabash. Very good, Fatma Gul. Shabash. Then again, start from the second line and draw a small semicircle like this. Go round, 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 and stop. Well done. And this is our capital B. ये कौन सा letter है? Who will tell me? capital B. This one is capital B. Very good. Then we will write the baby B. Which one B? The small baby B. Okay, this one is the mama B. And this one is the baby B, small baby. ये आपकी तरह small baby है ना, ये baby भी है और ये capital B है, the mama B. Okay, very good. Okay, start from the first line. First line से start करें. Go down, 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 down and stop. Third line पे stop करें. First three line में standing line draw करें. Draw a standing line, straight standing line. Well done, shabash, Mamoona. Shabash, बच्चे. Small b right करें. First of all, you draw a straight standing line in the first upper three line. Okay. Then draw a semicircle in the middle two lines. Okay. अब ये mid की two lines नहीं है. This one and this one. इस तरह small semicircle इस तरह हम draw करेंगे. इस तरह. Go round, 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 round and stop. Shabash. Once again, round, 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 round and stop. Very good. Okay, again, start from the first line. शाबाश, first line से start करें और third line के साथ touch करें. Fourth line के नीचे आप नहीं जाओगे. Third line तक touch करें और third line से fourth line तक touch नहीं करोगे. ठीक है? Straight standing line draw करें. Then draw a small semicircle in the first line and then again small semicircle. Okay? Capital B, small b. Okay? Capital B, small b. Then again write the capital B in first three lines. Then again small b. Okay? Well done, shabash. Then again नीचे लाइन में जाए. Capital B, small b, capital B, small b, शाबाश. Capital B, small b. आप सब मामा के साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ठीक है? मामा आपके लिए डॉट्स लगवाएंगे और फिर आप ट्रेस करेंगे. ठीक है बच्चे? और सब अपने अपने रफ रजिस्टर में राइटिंग करोगे, ऊपर डेट डालोगे और फिर जब आप स्कूल आओगे तो वो सारा मैं आपके लिए चेक करूंगी और इतनी ज्यादा स्टार्स आपको मिलेंगी. ठीक है? और प्यारे प्यारे गिफ्ट्स भी आपको मिलेंगे. कार भी मिलेगा और गर्ल्स को डॉल्स मिलेंगी. ठीक है? वेरी गुड, शाबाश. राइट? कैपिटल बी, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. Very good, शाबाश. सब इस तरह प्यारा प्यारा नीट नीट राइटिंग करोगे. ठीक है? और जिसकी राइटिंग सबसे ज्यादा प्यारी होंगी ना तो उसको इतनी ज्यादा स्टार्स मिलेंगी. Very good, शाबाश. Okay, note down your diaries, please. Shabash. Note down your diary. Do written practice of letter B in rough register. Okay? Do written practice of letter B in your rough register. Okay बच्चे? नीट नोटबुक में राइटिंग नहीं करोगे. ठीक है बच्चे? सब अपने अपनी रफ रजिस्टर में राइटिंग करे और प्यारा प्यारा लिखे. ठीक है? गंदा गंदा नहीं लिखोगे, प्यारा प्यारा लिखोगे और लाइन से बाहर और नीचे इस तरह नहीं लिखोगे. ठीक है? स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट और प्यारा प्यारा डार्क डार्क राइटिंग करोगे. ठीक है बच्चे? ओके ओके, बाय बाय. से बाय बाय टू मैम. बाय बाय. वेरी गुड.